Hello, fellow traders, and good morning, Nutty Bar Trading. And it is a Saturday morning, and hopefully everyone had a great Thanksgiving. Hopefully you had plenty of food, plenty of time with friends and family. I know I did. I had a very enjoyable time with family and at Thanksgiving. So hopefully you did as well. In this video, we're just going to talk a little bit about our. I did take a couple trades on Thursday, Friday. We'll go over that. And then we'll go over my streaming schedule update, what the plan is going forward, and just anything that we're changing, just any updates or anything newsworthy. I'll try and touch on that as well in this video. So let's just dive right in. I'm hoping to keep this video short and sweet for you guys. I know I have a tendency to ramble, so just hang in there. All right, let's just dive right in. First, we'll just briefly go over these 1950K accounts. Did not take any trades on Thursday or Friday. So not really anything to report on that, but I did want to talk a little bit about it. And here's why. Obviously, with the loss on Wednesday, we had like we hit our max loss per account per day, which was $140 or $135 per account. And after a little bit more thinking over that, like just thinking through this, like I'm just not really okay with that kind of loss. I'm just not. As you can see, a loss like that, I'm not a fan. I'm just not. I wasn't really okay with accepting that loss. So I decided to change it. I changed it a lot tighter. Again, I use Guardian Angel Trader, GAT for short, and it basically helps prevent me. It puts in parameters for my daily loss, my daily profit, and stops me from trading once I hit those. So I changed these accounts to only a $55 loss per day per account. Once I hit that, I'm done trading these accounts. And again, if you're new here, I did a video a couple days ago. You should be able to find it pretty easily, but it's basically a video on 20 accounts and the power of having 20 accounts and how to utilize them. And yeah, I would highly recommend to go watch that. You will understand my goals and kind of why I'm trading these funded accounts very, very slowly. When I say slowly, basically my goal is $50 to $100 in profit per day. If I can hit that consistently per day, I'll be more than happy. Obviously, that is just trading 1 to 2 micros. I am trading very small size. Again, I say 1950K accounts, but in reality, we all know these 50K accounts really are $2,500 accounts because that's the drawdown that you have. So if you look at $2,500 in drawdown and you're trading one mini, your risk of ruin is pretty high. You're risking a lot per trade, and it just takes, 4 or 5 losing trades in a row, and half your drawdown is gone. So that's why I'm trying to, like, with this approach and this strategy, I'm just trading 1 micro to maybe 2 micros, and my goal is $50 to $100 in profit per day per account, and that adds up. And you can watch that video. You can I basically do the math, and you actually can download the spreadsheet and do it yourself as well. But it really is my goal to just slowly and consistently grow these accounts. If it takes me 3 months to get to the payout threshold, I'm totally okay with that. If it takes longer, it is what it is. But we're going to try and take it slowly. So with that, I just don't like the thought of taking, $140 loss per account. It's just too much. Maybe once we get a little more cushion, maybe I'll increase it. But for now, I have it set to $55 loss per account per day, and then we're done trading. And that I can accept. I can accept that loss. And one thing from the past 2 weeks that I have really, really tried hard to work on in my trading mentally is accepting losses. I've, like, from journaling my trades and journaling when I go on these tilt sessions, almost every time I'm entering a trade, before I'm entering a trade, I'm only focusing on the profits that I can make. And I'm not really focusing on the losses that could occur. I'm only looking on one side, and I'm looking at the wrong side, because when I'm only looking at the profits and then I enter the trade and then it goes against me, it's like my brain isn't prepared for that. So my brain freaks out on me, and it's like, I got to exit the stop loss and we got to average down. We can't accept losses. That wasn't part of the plan. And so I've really tried to focus on, before I enter a trade, to make sure I have accepted that loss. And if I haven't, I either size down or I don't take the trade. But I have to make sure that I have accepted the loss before entering the trade. And I don't even really focus on my profits. I just focus on, if this is a loss, am I okay with it? And that, like, just continuously pounding that into my head, where I'm focusing on my losses and accepting my losses before I enter the trade. So, and it really has helped. So I'm going to try to keep doing that. So that's the plan for these 1950K accounts. I probably won't be really streaming or trading these live on the stream, and I'll probably just keep giving updates per day. There's some days I might not even trade them. There might not be an update to give, but if I take trades and there's updates to give, I'll probably just continue doing the daily summary report and kind of show the progress on these accounts in that way. Now let's switch over to our 150K account. So this account, as you guys that have been following know, this account is the account that I'm primarily focusing on. And this is the account that we stream on, and we live stream starting Monday. We'll be live streaming every day more consistently. And yeah, right now, as you can see, we traded some on Thursday, had a $79 loss on Thursday. And then yesterday we hit our daily profit target, which is $300 on this account. We hit that again, so we were done trading for the day. I gotta say, I really like the Guardian Angel Trader. I like having that. It's like this $300 goal. I think it's actually $310, but this $300 goal is like, once I hit the goal, I'm totally content to not trade that account anymore that day. I don't know. There's just something about hitting that goal and then being totally content with not trading the account anymore, and we're done for the day. And I also have a $300 loss limit set on it per day as well. So again, I'm totally okay with a $300 losing day. And if, we can recover from that. What's difficult to recover from is when you go on tilt and all of a sudden you have a $2,000 losing day. Then that's when it really gets to me. So keeping our losses small and knowing when to stop trading once we hit our profit target has been very, very key for me trading this 150K account. So that's how we're going to continue. Again, right now our balance is at $154,317. So we're less than $700 away from hitting our profit target. So then we can request withdrawal. Now I think I'm probably going to have a goal of like 5,500 on this account and then make a withdrawal request. And then do the $2,750 withdrawal. That means we have $2,750 of drawdown left, which is plenty for what, the size that we're trading currently. So yeah, that's the plan. And again, for the streaming, we are back. We are back Monday. I am excited. I have really missed you guys. I went back and looked, and this is the longest that I've gone of not streaming since I started streaming back in April. So I know I took a vacation here a couple months ago, but that was only a week. This was, I think, 2 weeks where I wasn't streaming, and it feels like forever. And I'm really excited to be streaming again. And hopefully you guys are too. Hopefully you guys still remember me and remember to tune in. I'll be live Monday morning, 9:15, and then hopefully we'll just, be consistently streaming. Now, obviously, things might come up. They might come up where we have to go or something, but hopefully not. Hopefully we can be a little bit more consistent with our streaming schedule. So again, the plan is to trade this 150K account is what we're going to be streaming with. All my entries, all my exits. It is very important to me that I'm fully transparent, so you'll see everything. Tune in if you want to see how it goes. Hopefully we can get to this profit threshold and make a withdrawal. That will be such a big mental barrier for me to get through. I'm trying not to focus too much on it because I know that last $300-400 can sometimes be the most difficult. So I want to make sure, like I said before, I'm accepting my losses before I enter a trade. I think that has been so important for me, and hopefully we can keep doing that and continue doing that. So anyway, that's all I got for today. Hopefully we'll see you Monday morning. I really do appreciate every one of you. Also, Apex 90% sale ends on Tuesday at midnight Eastern Standard Time. So if you plan to get more accounts, get it with the 90% off. It's not going to get any better than this. I might actually buy a couple more 150Ks just in case I need them. Actually, I forgot to mention, as you probably, if you could see on this account, I did pass the 150K account. So we do have 2 kind of in our back pocket if we need them. And so I'll probably be buying a couple more just in case. And then the other reason I want to have them is if we hit our profit target early in the morning on this 150K account, then we'll probably switch over to trading the 150K evaluation account for the rest of the day. And hopefully we can pass that account. And again, just kind of have it in our back pocket in case we need it. And hopefully we don't, but in case we do. So anyway, we'll leave it at that. Thanks everyone for tuning in. Appreciate every one of you. Hopefully you have a great rest of your day. Have a great weekend. Before I leave, go Buckeyes and go Browns. Okay, if the Buckeyes win today and the Browns win on Sunday, we are going to have us a party on Monday morning stream. We are going to have us a party. So go Buckeyes, go Browns. Hope everyone has a great weekend, and God bless.